Hi again and welcome to my channel. Now I'm on a roll today. I'm wearing the same outfit. I probably will be making a few videos, but you know, when you're dressed up and you've got your makeup on, you know what, let's just go with it. This was a requested video a few months ago from Ranalynn, and when I was asking some of my subscribers what would they like me to do, see what kind of videos would they like me to do, and Ranalynn had suggested, why don't you do a video about essentials and things that you can't live without when you go on vacation. And the first thing that popped into my mind, and I honestly, like, for traveling on the plane, this is something that I encourage each and every one of you to go and get, even if it's only a couple of hours on the flight. But when you travel as far as I do, it's a 7-hour flight, and that's a long flight. And I do get anxiety, and this saved my life. And you know what it is? It is this little gadget that I bought on eBay for under $5. It's cold mist. You can put essential oils in it, but I think the essential oils clog it up, so I just use water. And I just spray it all down my neck, around my face. It hydrates, it de-stresses you, it cools you. It does so much for less than $5. Go online, there are many sizes, shapes, colors. It has a little rechargeable USB thing in here, and it comes with that. You just plug it in to your little plug rechargeable thing, and it charges the battery. So there's a little battery in it. This is the only one I have, and actually I'm considering, in fact, I'm not just considering it, I'm actually going to go and purchase a few more of these and just order a bunch of them on eBay. They take a long time to come in when you order them on eBay, but they're just wonderful. So they're great to have. And anyone, so if anyone's traveling, and Shannon, I know it's too late for you now because you're traveling in the next week or two, but you might be able to go out and just purchase one, or go on Amazon. They might ship you one in less than 24 hours. So I suggest you get one. In fact, I insist you all have one of these for travels. This helped my stress like you would not believe. So that's the first thing I cannot leave without. The second thing is something that Kathy from Kathy Beauty Care Chats told me about, and it's this incredible lighted mirror. It has magnifying on one side, and then it has regular on the other side. And it lights up. You can plug it in here and plug it into the wall, or it works on batteries. So that I also use as a ring light when I'm videotaping. As you can see, it makes a big difference. See the difference? So that is, and look at how easy it is to carry. That was from Kathy Beauty Care Chats. I will place the link down below. You can get this on Amazon.ca, and the next thing would have to be my sunglasses. And these are my Ray-Bans, and I can't leave without my Ray-Bans. I will take an extra pair as well, just in case something happens to them, but I always wear sunglasses. I wear sunglasses even if the sun isn't shining, so I cannot leave without those. And the next thing would be my Jade roller. I will not leave without that. I need that. This makes me feel good, and it helps relax me, and I can use that on the plane. So there's that. Now, when I traveled to Ireland, I don't know if you remember or not, but I took this little palette with me that I won in a giveaway from Allegra Chetty, and it's a little tart. You can see I've used it well, and it's a little blush and then a couple of little shadows. And I might have had another single shadow for a pop of color in the center of my eyelid, but other than that, this is all I used the whole trip I was away. That and these two lipsticks. This one is the L'Oreal Shining Peach in the color 911, and that is a great lipstick. And then this one is this is a L'Oreal as well. It's L'Oreal Infallible in the color Petal, and it's a lip gloss. So I often use these two together. This one is a little like more of a like a flat color. It's not super shiny, but you can see how well I've used this up already. It's just beautiful. I just love it. It's creamy, it's smooth, and then I might put a little bit of pop of color on top of it. So that, and another thing I took with me and I used the whole time, and I'm wearing it today, and it's the Fit Me foundation in a stick. So easy. You don't have to worry about it breaking. You don't have to worry about it spilling out into your handbag. I cannot leave without that. That is a must-have. Now, another thing that I take on the plane with me are my eye drops. So don't forget about your eye drops. If you have dry eyes, they will be more dry on the plane. So I would put eye drops in every couple of hours. Dry eyes are not fun. What else? Oh, the old selfie stick. I think it cost me $3. And I don't ever go away without that. But if you're not a blogger or a vlogger, then, you know, you don't need to take this. But we vloggers need this. And one more thing is my strawberry lip balm. Sits beside my bed every night. And this is the first tin. I'm still using the first tin. And I can't remember, Dawn, when did I get this? Like, when you suggested it, must have been well before I went away on my trip. So it must have been in March, before March, February, and I'm still using the same one. It's almost down to the bottom. I can almost see pan. It smells like creamy strawberries. I love it. And my hand sanitizer is one more thing. And my Vaseline. Guess what it is? It's a comfort thing. It is something that when you go to a country that's cold, it's going to keep you warm. It's a simple thing. It's a cheap thing. It's a hot water bottle. And I know you guys are laughing right now, but this is serious. I never go anywhere without my water bottle, and I usually have 2 or 3 of these. And sometimes I just leave one at my sister's. You know, I maybe take one, and then I'll say, you know what, I'll just leave it for the next time. And yeah, I take it with me, and it's like, okay, one more thing. This is my pillow. Let me just show you my pillow. I'm going to take the cover off. This is my pillow. It is a contour pillow. It is memory foam. And you can see your neck fits in here. I've had this pillow for about 20 years. It's a very good pillow. This comes off. You wash it. It's foam underneath. You don't have to wash the foam because this is hypoallergenic, and it also is it protects from getting mites, dust mites, and bed mites, dust mites, and stuff like that. So I take this with me everywhere I go. Yeah, so this is actually between this and this. These are my 2 #1 things that I cannot travel without. Like literally, I cannot sleep on anyone else's pillow. I take this pillow with me everywhere I go, even if I'm just going down to my girlfriend's. I take my pillow with me. Yeah, like I may be going up next week to look after Nora. She's been a little bit fussy at night, so I said, you know what, I'll come up and let you 2 guys get some sleep. I'll take her out into the other room and, you know, just you know, pump lots of milk so I can feed her through the night. And you guys sleep. Like, sleep. I can sleep anytime, you know. They can't. And my son needs to go to work in the morning, and he's up there. He's the first one up at, you know, in the middle of the night. He's amazing. So I want them to get a good 8-9 hours sleep, and I'm going to take care of Nora, and it will be a pleasure. So I'm taking my pillow for the times when I may be able to have a little nap in between. So that's it, Ranalynn. Sorry that this video is taking so long to do, but, you know, life gets in the way, and I enjoy doing it. Those are my essentials. If this helps you out, if you're a first-time traveler, these items may just very well save your life. Like, seriously, they will save your life. This little baby will save your life. You have to have it. I can't even tell you how much you have to have this in your life. It's the cheapest little thing you can buy, and you have to have it in your life. And I'm going to order a bunch more, and then maybe just give them away to everybody. Send them to everybody. Like, order 100 and send them to everybody that I know. Just kidding. I can't afford that. But that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next video, and I love you all to bits. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are incredible. Thank you to my subscribers that have been with me from the beginning and those who have joined along the way. You have no idea how much you mean to me. You are my friends. You have been so loyal to me. I cannot emphasize enough how much you mean to me. I want to thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you all on the next video. Have a great day, and don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Mwah.